Hello everyone, welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas Tree. Today is day number 10. And I'm going to share with you how I make this cute Christmas ornament using cinnamon stick. I think this is one that you can make with your grandkids and kids. The only thing is that you have to be the one taking care of the gluing because you must use hot glue to be able to put this together. So let's get going. Let me share with you how I made this Christmas ornament using cinnamon stick.
Uri designs, unique expressions.
These are the cinnamon sticks I'm using. And I'm going to decorate the tree using these little buttons. And I'm going to be using these artificial garland ties to make kind of like a shape of the tree and glue it to the stick right here. And I'm going to be using some of these little items as well. And I'm using the low temperature setting for this project. And for the final touch, I'm adding these stars on the top. I'm using a different kind of artificial garland ties and other kinds of Christmas decorations that I have in my Christmas box. This year I really didn't want to buy anything new, so I'm using everything I had. I'm using this red and white striped twine as a hanger. I'm going to just make a knot like this and glue it on the back of the tree. In that way, it can be used as a Christmas ornament. Let me know what you think. I really got excited and made a bunch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Until next time, Merry Christmas and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and hit the bell notification so next time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Goodbye.